In this section we will see how to edit drafts. The file received by this user has a draft, which is also hinted from this legend from the file's inbox, against the listed file record. To edit the drafts prepared in the file, open the file, and from the drafts option in the menu bar, choose View Drafts. This lists all the drafts available in a file, along with the information related to their respective statuses, subject, and other details. With each edit made to the draft by two different users in the movement of the file, each edit makes up a newer version, which gets listed here. To edit the draft submitted by previous user, open the draft by clicking on its number from the list of drafts and click Edit at the bottom. For drafts prepared in the editor, the content is available on the editor itself, ready for you to amend and save it from this option. For drafts prepared by uploading the .doc or .docs file, the editing can only be done by downloading it, making changes to the content of this document file from your system, and then re-uploading it. This is so because the content was prepared on a different platform, which may have some complex styles, proprietary formatting and etc., and as discussed in draft creation section, this may otherwise cause formatting issue when made directly available in the editor. Hence, to avoid such concern, it is wise to make it available in as-is format by uploading and download it again to make changes on same tool, such as MS Word. Once changes are made, make sure you save it by this option at the bottom, and since you made changes to the draft submitted by another, this will create another version which can be seen from the list of drafts. And as and when the file moves in channel of submission, for every subsequent different user, making changes to this draft will create a new version of the draft. It is worthy to note that the editing to the draft is only available unless it is approved. In case the file has more than one draft, the versions list displayed here is of the most recent draft created, which is at the top of the list. In case you wish to see the list of versions of other drafts, click this versions icon here against the respective draft number, and its versions can be seen from the bottom. You may click the respective version number to see what was done in it. After you make your changes, you may move the file in channel of its submission for next person to amend it or approve as required. This concludes this section.